Is the Dodo Fish app really an easy way to earn free Shiba Inu coin, or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael and I love testing different ways to earn some extra crypto online, and I came across this app and thought it sounded like an interesting way to earn, so I decided to test it. And in this Dodo Fish app review, I will give you an inside look and show you my real results, and there's some very important details you need to be aware of before you start using this app. So before I log in, let's go over who can join, because Dodo Fish app is an app you can only download for Android devices as of recording this video. So if you don't have an Android phone or an Android device, then this is not for you. I'll leave a link in the top corner to a video about earning apps for iOS devices instead, if that's what you're interested in. But if you do have an Android, then you can download this from the Google Play Store. It is available in a lot of different countries. There might be some countries where there are some local crypto restrictions, so it's not available because you can earn different cryptos. The main claim is that you can earn free Shiba Inu, and you can, as I will show you, but it also allows you to earn other cryptos, just to make that clear. But let me now log in and then show you exactly how it works. I have now logged into the Dodo Fish app, and I must admit right away that it's actually fairly addictive. It's a very easy game, but also a little bit too addictive maybe. I spend maybe a little bit too much time playing it so far. But let me show you how to earn. Then we'll go over the whole withdrawal section and how much you can earn. There's some little bit annoying details about that you really need to know. But let's start with the whole earning aspect, because you can see I'm sitting here with a fishing hook, and then there's this one where I need to just click my screen when it's as close as possible to max, and then my hook will go down and I can catch these fish and I will earn coins, and the coins will go up there, and that's the main ways to earn there. And then you can also get different hooks that can take, for example, treasure chests. And if you see, this one is also very important. You can use the coins to upgrade. So right now I can have 8 fish on my hook. So that will mean more earnings. When you start, you have a lot less. I think it's like 1 or 2 or something like that. And also you can choose how deep your fishing hook will go, which means that you can get more fish. And there's also some other things you need to know about this depth when it comes to the withdrawal section that they do not tell you about at first. We'll go over that later, but you just need to click if you want to upgrade that. So if I wanted to make room for more fish on my rod, I would just click there once, and you see, then I upgrade. Now I can have 9, and it took some of my coins, and every time you upgrade it becomes more expensive. So anyways, I just need to click this play there, so I'll just do that, and then I'll show you, and I can then control it from side to side. So I didn't even look, and then it goes down, and you see there's also, when you go further down, there's these like bombs you need to avoid, and then it just pulls it up once I have the 9 fish I can have, and I get the coins. And then you can see I got 365 coins there. And again, if I do it again, then that was not a very good one either. But you see, sometimes also there are even like, I missed that one, but then I got, oh, again I lost them. See, and that's the thing, it becomes more and more difficult also, because you have these bombs that you risk losing what it is. And every time you do an attempt, you see up there in the corner, you lose 1 energy, but then you get 1 energy every 5 minutes. Also, you can also buy more, and there's many things that you can buy, so you get more benefits if you're willing to invest in it. But do not do that yet. Let's first talk about exactly how that works, so you find out if it's worth it. But this is basically how it works, and it, as mentioned, I've maybe played it like for almost an hour. Became a little bit too addicted to it, but it can be fun. But fun is good, but when you're using an app like this, you also need to make sure that it's actually worth your time. So what can you then do in addition to, for example, going and shopping more or getting VIP members? You can do all that. Then, what else can you do with what you earn? Let's go over that, because that's of course super important. So you see at the top, you have the coins that you earn by doing this. And then you click that one, and then you come in and you can see what I have. And then I can click the plus button to exchange it for either this deep fish crypto or Shiba Inu. And I will just click Shiba Inu, and then you see I can say 1,000 coins there will give me 100 Shiba. So 10 coins is 1 Shiba Inu coin. So I can do that. You say, for example, I could get 500 Shiba Inu. So then I would just click the big exchange button there. And then you see I have to watch an ad. So this is quite a long, annoying ad. And I find this very annoying. So you're forced to watch an ad when you exchange something. So I'll just wait till this ad is over and then I'll just come back and show you what then happens. So now the ad finally finished and you see exchange successfully. So if we then go back, you see I lost the coins because I spent these 5,000 coins, but then you can go into the withdraw section that is over there on the side, and I click there and then you can see how many Shiba Inu I have. Now I have in total, because I played it before, 4,593, and then I can click to withdraw there, the withdraw button. And then again I click withdraw, and then you see that I would need 3,000 Shib to be able to cash out, and I have 1,500 there. So the first time I tried this is where I got my first surprise, because then I reached 3,000 Shiba Inu and tried to withdraw, and then it said, oh, you can't withdraw until you had this depth. I showed you that how deep the fishing hook can go at level 15. So I had to spend coins to get there and play it longer, because I thought like, okay, I'll try to see if it is. So I am now at level 15, and then at the top I just played it out, but I added my Shiba Inu wallet address there. It needs to be a wallet address for the BEP20 network. That's very important. If not, they cannot transfer it. So I did that, and then I just want to get these 3,000 paid out. Also, as you see, that's all I can get paid out now. If you want to pay out more at the time, you need VIP membership, so you need to pay to upgrade. They have a lot of things you need to pay for in here. So you can actually end up losing money if you're not very aware of what you're doing. But anyways, I'll try to click there to withdraw. And then you see, then it says withdraw, but like, how do I withdraw? This is just a link to another platform. So if I click this one, then I'm just taken to another website, and then, you know, I need to register here to download, but I added my wallet address. I wanted to take it out to my wallet, my Shiba Inu wallet, because that is what I promised I could do. So I just went back now again, and you see now nothing happens. And now if I click again, then this one comes up again. I can't get to just withdraw it to my wallet. This is extremely frustrating. And I have seen some people actually withdrawing to, for example, Binance, and I'm using a Binance address to try to withdraw to, but I can't do it. It doesn't let me. And you know what? I'm sure I probably sort this out. Maybe it's a technical error or whatever if I contact the support. But let us talk about how much time I spend and how much I could potentially earn to find out if this is really worth it. Because I will then explain why I'm just actually giving up on the app now. I can't be bothered to actually contact the support for the reasons I will explain next. I'll just close down the app, and then we'll talk about this, whether it's really worth it and why I have chosen not to move forward with this app. So let's talk about whether it's worth it or not. Maybe, you know, I have seen people getting paid. I think that the withdrawal system is weird, because you have to jump through so many hoops to get paid, and that they suddenly have this requirement that you need to reach level 15 in the depth to withdraw, things like that. Just be transparent about it at first. If not, it just like, that's a deal breaker for me. But anyways, I have seen some people getting paid. I just think that, you know, if we, instead of like spending more time on it, let's look at it. So far I've spent maybe an hour earning enough to be able to get out 3,000 Shiba Inu, which is the maximum you can take out anyways at the time if you have a free membership. If not, you have to pay to be able to take out more, which in itself shows that that's kind of where the business model is. All these, you can pay for extra energy, you can pay for all that, you know, all these things. But 3,000 Shiba Inu at the time of recording this, it's a cryptocurrency, so the value of course goes up and down. It might be worth a lot more by the time you watch this, it might be worth a lot less. I can't say that, but it's currently worth 3 cents. So I spend, you know, 45 minutes, an hour earning worth of 3 cents, and I have to then spend more time contacting support and waiting and blah, blah, blah. And you know what? My opinion, that's just not worth it. I have tested so many different ways to earn crypto online for free, and there are so many ways where you can earn several dollars and even more in the same time, you know, in just even 10 minutes you can earn way more than this on many other platforms. I'll leave links below to some options I have tested that pay more if you want to earn either Shiba Inu or other cryptocurrencies for free, and that is the methods that I personally prefer. So to sum it all up, Dodo Fish App is a fun game, to be honest. I do like it. I just think there is too many confusing things, like this, like you need to upgrade to get these benefits, you need to pay this hook to be able to collect that, and it just becomes harder and harder to earn also, and you can end up losing money because you think that it's a good idea to invest, to take out more, to do this and this and this. So even if you manage to take out money, which I didn't manage to, as you could see, it might just be a technical error at the time of recording this, but even if I could take out those, it's just not worth it because it's so much hassle and it just becomes harder and harder for me to earn. And I value my time and I do love making money online, but I do prefer using the methods that are actually effective and not just fun and addictive, but where you can even end up losing money, that if you don't know exactly what you're doing and not good at calculating what you invest and all that. So because like for some of these VIP members, you know, yeah, let's say you spend $5 or whatever on an upgrade, yeah, but you would have to spend so much time earning and playing this game to earn $5 just to earn back what you pay for these different upgrades. There's so many other methods to earn online that are a lot more effective in my personal opinion and experience. So as mentioned, I'll leave links below to some options that I prefer using instead. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you figure out if this is the right app for you to earn or not. And if the video did help you, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.